If you clicked on this video, chances are that you don't know how to start and make money with dropshipping. And you want to see exactly how I made $73,000 in just 30 days, so that maybe you can replicate what I did and possibly even get the same results. 30 days ago, all I had was $100 to start dropshipping. Today, I've made a little over $73,000 within the last month alone. I did this by realizing the only exposure I needed was not from paid marketing, but from dodging every online course that promised to make me a billionaire by Tuesday. And I didn't even spend a single dollar on advertising. Let me show you how I did this. So there's two ways that you can find your winning product. You have the free method and you have the paid method. I'm gonna begin by going through the paid method first because that's how I found my winning product. Then I'll go into the free method, which also works but just requires a little bit more effort. The platform I use to find my winning product is called Zendrop, and I'm about to show you how it works. Right now, I'm on a demo account to walk you through how everything works here without messing around with a real account. This is super handy because it lets us see exactly how to manage a dropshipping business like a pro. We're talking about tracking your orders, keeping an eye on sales and costs, and getting all the important information you need to run your store the best way possible. But the main thing I want to look at today is Zendrop's Find Product feature. They've got a massive catalog with millions of products, giving you a ton of variety to stock up products on your store. Also, adding products to your store is super simple because all you need to do is just click on Add to My Products and you're good to go. This makes finding those winning products so much simpler. Plus, Zendrop offers these search filters to help narrow down your search, whether it's shipping, origin, category, supplier, or price range. These filters help you find the perfect fit for your business and target audience. Now, here's a cool part. Zendrop isn't just about what's in their catalog. If you've added something to your Shopify store that Zendrop doesn't carry, no problem. Head over to My Products, then Store Listings, and you'll find it there. You can request Zendrop to source it for you and they'll get it sorted within 24 hours. Once orders start coming in, Zendrop's auto-fulfillment feature is your best friend. It takes most of the effort out of the equation by automating the order process so you can focus on growing your business. And for those looking to boost their brand, Zendrop's got you covered with their branding options. You can personalize your products and packaging with your own logos, titles, messages, you name it. This personal touch not only elevates the unboxing experience for your customers, but also levels up your brand's trust. Don't miss out on the AliExpress import tool either. If you've got an AliExpress product you love, just drop the link and it's added to your store in no time. And my absolute favorite feature is the trending products section. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you what's trending right now, helping you stay ahead of the competition. Keep in mind, some of these extra cool features, including the trending products, are only exclusive to Zendrop Plus. If you're looking to get started with that, subscribing to Zendrop Plus unlocks all these advanced tools to supercharge your dropshipping game. By the way, if you use my link down below, you'll get 50% off your first month of Zendrop Plus. And you'll get $200 for free in order credits, and they'll even throw in a free pre-built store. This store will be filled with top performing products, so make sure you don't sleep on this deal. Now look, after I found what I thought would be my winning product on Zendrop, I wanted to see if there's competitors already selling it and making thousands of dollars with it on Shopify. So all I did was that I found Shopify stores selling the same product, and then I copy and pasted their store link into a platform called ShopHunter. Now I was able to see exactly how much they were making every single day from selling this product on their store. And I was also able to see from this how much money I'm not making from not selling this product in my store. ShopHunter showed me that my competitors had some days where they made thousands of dollars in a single day in sales. So I definitely knew that there was lots of demand and that people wanted to buy this product. This made me confident because there were other people already selling this product and making money by the same product that I want to sell. I was also able to see the Shopify theme and the apps that the competitors had installed on their website through ShopHunter. And when I viewed their websites, I could clearly see that they were very poorly designed, yet they were still making tons of money, which obviously made me think that all I needed to do was build a better website to outwork the competition. I knew for a fact that I could market and sell this product so much better than they are, which would inevitably lead me to success. If you guys want to get access to ShopHunter, I'll leave a link for it, so make sure you check out the description. I've been using ShopHunter for a while now, and I think it's very important to see how your competitors are performing and the amount of sales that they're actually making. Now that I've gone through how I found my product through paid product research, let me go ahead and show you how to find your own winning product the free way. First things first, grab your phone or laptop and let's jump onto the TikTok app. Your goal is to explore hashtags like TikTok made me buy it, Amazon finds, and products you need. These tags are gold mines for catching everyone's eyes, especially those that are into online shopping. After you've typed in these hashtags, here's a pro tip. Hit those 3 three dots at the top right to filter results from the last 3 to 6 months. Look for the TikToks that have gotten the most views and likes. This little trick ensures that you're not just finding any products, but you're finding the best products that have been going viral recently. This is important because it means these items are trending, but not for so long that the hype has died down. It's the perfect time for you to set up a store, start marketing, and ride the wave of their popularity. Now, you might be curious about what I'm currently promoting. While I'm keeping my store under the radar for now, I can reveal that I've been focusing on selling a mini projector. It's an awesome product that lets you watch movies anywhere. Imagine turning any room into your own personal cinema. This winning product was from the Amazon Finds hashtag, and there were many accounts making videos on it. Seeing that these videos were getting hundreds of thousands of likes convinced me that it was a winning product. But here's where it gets real. Just because a product is trending on TikTok doesn't automatically mean that it's a winner. You've got to do your homework, and now I sound like a teacher. Go into the comments section of those viral videos to find real interest. It's not just about the views and the likes, it's about finding something unique that people genuinely want to buy, not something they can easily pick up at any store. Alright, moving on to setting up your dropshipping store. The next step is to get your website rolling on Shopify. If you're getting into dropshipping for the first time, Shopify is a solid choice. It's a favorite among beginners because it's super easy to use. Even if you're not great at making websites, you can get a basic site up and running in just a few hours. Honestly, building your website is one of the simplest parts of starting a dropshipping business, which is why we won't spend too much time on it here. When it comes to making your website look good, Canva.com is my go-to tool for creating logos. It's free, it's simple, and it gets the job done. Shopify makes the whole process of building your store pretty smooth. You can kick things off with one of their free themes like Dawn or Refresh, and it will make your store look so professional without putting in any effort. For product images, a quick Google search for your product's name can give you great options. But when it comes to writing catchy and clear product descriptions, ChatGPT is a lifesaver. Just give it enough details about your product and it will help you generate something perfect. Picking a domain name on Shopify is super easy with their built-in domain feature. Just type in your preferred store name and it will check if it's available. Getting your domain is super cheap, and before you know it, you'll have an amazing dropshipping site up. Plus, Shopify has this limited trial for only $1 a month, which makes it super easy for beginners to start without much upfront cost. I'll also drop a link to this offer below, so definitely check that out. Now, if you're looking to make more money off of each customer that hits your dropshipping store, the trick is to upsell. What I mean is that you should offer more products related to what they're already buying, maybe with a special discount on a second product post-purchase. This strategy bumps up your average order value, which can really make or break the success of your product. There are tons of apps on Shopify that can help you upsell easily. I'm not sponsored by any, but I think Upcart is pretty cool, and that's just my opinion. But here's the thing, not all upselling tactics work well with the kind of customers dropshipping is known for. Bombarding them with pop-ups or asking them to sign up for emails can really slow down the buying process, which makes them second guess their impulse purchases. In my store, I skip the pre-purchase pop-ups to keep the sales quick and the descriptions short and sweet. One app I've tried is One-Click Upsell. It's made me a fair bit of money, but sometimes the slower checkout process isn't worth the extra money that it brings in. Remember, the goal is to upsell after they've bought something, thus not making the checkout process any longer. Always base your business decisions on what's actually good for your store and not just what's trending on the Shopify App Store. Okay, you've picked out a killer product and got your website looking sharp. Now let's get into the fun part. How do you start getting views and blowing up on TikTok? I've launched multiple stores on TikTok, and trust me, I've seen some serious cash flow from it. So I'm gonna let you in on some of my top secrets and tips that can help you get your store popping. Honestly, it's not as tough as it might seem. You can simply find popular TikToks about your product and mimic those videos. If a video is already viral, just reshooting it with better quality and better lighting can make wonders. It's all about catching those views. I've noticed a lot of dropshippers on TikTok try to reinvent the wheel with their videos. But why fix what isn't broken? Recreating viral videos is a solid strategy to max out your view count on the platform. Don't just post a couple of videos and call it a day expecting to hit the jackpot. You've got to commit to posting at least 3 times a day. If twice is what you can manage, that's cool, but consistency is key. Viral success doesn't happen overnight. It's very rare for that to happen. It takes a bit of effort and time to start seeing those views climb. And when you do start getting traction on TikTok, don't just stop there. Spread the love to Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. They're just TikTok in a different platform. Just make sure to get rid of those TikTok watermarks before posting elsewhere. Snaptik.com is my go-to for cleaning up those videos without losing quality. But remember, taking someone else's video video and using it as your own isn't your shortcut to viral fame. It's all about originality and consistency. That's how my stores keep pulling in about $10,000 monthly. Even when some TikToks don't perform as well, I don't sweat it. I'll just jump onto another account and keep the content flowing. Because at the end of the day, it's all about staying in the game and keeping your content fresh. And by the way, avoid making your videos feel like ads. Instead, aim for entertaining, maybe even funny TikToks about your product. Trust me, it's not rocket science. Remember, the TikTok audience is mostly 18 to 25-year-olds. So create your content based on that to catch their attention. Keep an eye on what's trending, recreate those viral videos, and watch your store take off. If you're interested in more insights on how I've turned my TikTok stores into money-making machines, make sure to check out the other videos on my channel. I go into all the details of going viral and making that dropshipping money. And by the way, if you're planning on going all in on crushing it with e-commerce, make sure you check out the Inner Circle. I put this platform together because I know how tough it can be to find your path in the online hustle. For just $25, you're getting an all-access pass to this exclusive platform. It's packed with over 12 courses that I've personally created, going into everything you need to know about making money online. One of the gems in this platform is the e-com dropshipping course. It's loaded with detail and actionable advice to get your store popping, but it's not all about just making money online. There's a whole section dedicated to fitness and diet, because being in top shape physically is just as important as your financial game. This platform is like your one-stop shop for leveling up both your bank account and body. So don't sleep on this. Check out the link in the description to join the Inner Circle. I genuinely believe this can be a game changer in your journey to making money and becoming fit. This could be the break you've been looking for, so go ahead and check it out. And if you've enjoyed this video, keep the streak going and jump right into the next one, which should pop up somewhere on the screen.